So our sixth problem actually asks us to find the area of a hexagonal pyramid. Did they give us a photo of the pyramid? Yes, that's perfect. Cool. So let me just write down here. Or I'm sorry, it's asking us to find not the surface area of a hexagonal pyramid, but the volume of a hexagonal pyramid, which is actually a little bit easier or than finding the surface area of a quadrangular or hexagonal pyramid for this for this question or for the given information. So we're asking us to find the volume of a hexagonal pyramid, and again pyramid. Cool. So again, the bottom of this pyramid is a hexagon, and that's why it's called a hexagonal pyramid. Just want to let you know that. Although you can probably just see it from the photo, or you probably already know that. So in order to find the volume of a hexagonal pyramid, our formula is just 1/3 of the area, or of the area of the base, times the height. So let me just write this or put this formula in another color so you can see it easily. Cool. And this is how we find this is the volume, or this is the formula for the volume of a hexagonal pyramid, or just a pyramid in general. And in order for this questions, or for this situation specifically, we were actually given the surface. We're actually given the surface, not the surface area. We're actually given the area of the base, so like the base area over here, and also the height, which is the altitude. So we can just directly plug the numbers in to the formula and arrive at an answer. So we know the area of the base, or the surface area of the base of the pyramid, is 41.6 square centimeters, and the height is 3.7 square centimeters. So this is our answer right over here. In this case, you can do it by hand, but it takes a while. So I'll just use our calculator, which right over here, I'll just type the numbers in. So we have 41.6 multiplied by 3.7, and then divided by 3, which is, by the way, because we're doing it, because this is all multiplication and division, so the order of operation doesn't matter, and we can just type into the calculator like this. But usually when you're typing your question into a calculator, or typing your expression into a calculator, be really careful, because if you type it wrong, then get the question wrong, it's kind of sad, because you already know how to do the question, but you just use the calculator wrong, which makes you really close to the right answer, but still got the question wrong. So let's see. So this is just the volume of the hexagonal pyramid, and let's just say the area of the hexagonal pyramid is 50.1.3 square or centimeters cube. So let's just use centimeters or centimeters cubed. Usually, depending on which school system and everything, but usually for word problem, you'll write down the answer in another sentence, telling them what is the area or what is your answer. In this case, we have volume, which has units of length cubed. So, and our units here is centimeters. So we have our volume is centimeters cubed. Be really careful when you have word problems. Be really careful of the units, because if they're in different units, you can't just do the calculation directly. You need to convert them into the same units first, or else you're going to get the question wrong. Alright? So let's look at our sample solution. They use the same formula, and they arrive at the answer 51 cubic centimeter, which is perfect. And this question this is all we're going to do for this question. of finding the volume of a hexagonal pyramid with given base area and height. Let's just say, great job, your solution is correct. And let's move on to our next problem.